Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download CryptoHopper application on your Android device. To download and install CryptoHopper application on your Android, first of all, go ahead and make sure that your Android device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go ahead and open your Google Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right hand corner from your Android device and go to the search box at the top on the next page. Type in CryptoHopper in the search bar. In the search result, look for the CryptoHopper crypto trading application, which looks like this, and tap on the install button to start downloading CryptoHopper application on your Android phone. The CryptoHopper app is a cryptocurrency trading platform that automates trading using AI-driven bots and strategies. It is designed for both beginners and professional traders, allowing them to trade 24/7 across multiple exchanges without the need for constant monitoring. Wait for the app to download and install, which will take a few minutes. And then once it is done, tap on the Open button to open the CryptoHopper app. And there you have it. That is how quickly and easily you can install CryptoHopper on your Android phone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.